The importance of daily bird care and checks. As a bird owner or enthusiast, it's essential to monitor your feathers friends' health and well-being daily. Here's why. Early detection. Regular checks help you identify any potential health issues early on, allowing for prompt action and preventing more severe problems. Preventing debris buildup. Daily inspections can prevent debris from accumulating in your bird's beak, eyes, or feathers, which can lead to infections or other complications. Baby bird's beak was clogged with dried poop, making it difficult for it to eat and breathe. The debris was stubbornly stuck, but I gently used water to soften it. With careful manipulation, I was able to remove the blockage and clean the beak. It's hard to remove the stuck poop. You can see it, how hard it is. Look at this. It's a stuck poop. You should remove it if you see in your bird pot. After the cleaning, the bird seemed relieved and was able to eat and breathe more easily. It was a delicate process, but the outcome was worth the effort. I had to act quickly to prevent any further distress. So I was able to gently scrape away the blockage, taking care not to cause any discomfort to the bird. Once the beak was clean, the bird's behavior improved. Because it's a baby bird, you have to help him. Make sure to check daily your bird progress and their pots. If they have nesting material, check if there is baby or not, because their mother can't help them. For this, you have to check daily. Now look at the dirt I found in my bird nesting pot. Now it's relieved. Clean the pot and place the baby back.